Good day. In this session, we are going to discuss the common mistakes in reading math symbols. Marami ang nabubulol sa pagbigkas ng mga salitang ito. So, kailangan nyong practicein. Pag meron kayong na-encounter na mali, huwag nyong pagtawanan. Kailangan turuan sila. Okay ba yon, mga kids? Tara, pag-usapan na natin. 9 is less than 8. Ang tama, 9 is greater than 8. Madalas, ito ay napagbabaliktad ng mga batang nagsisipag-aral. Para hindi nyo makalimutan, tingnan nyo ang iyong kanang kamay. Sadya itong mas malakas. Tatawagin natin ang iyong kanang kamay bilang greater than. Pag ang unang number ay mas malaki kaysa sa nasa kanan, greater than ang isasagot mo nito. 2 is greater than 4. Ang tama, 2 is less than 4. 4 is equals to 4. Dapat, 4 is equal to 4 or 4 equals 4. 1 plus 2 is equals to mali. Kailangan 1 plus 2 equals 3 or 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 5 times 2 equals, kailangan 5 times 2 equals or 5 times 2 is equal to 2 divided by 10 is equal to, kailangang bigkasin muna ang pinaghahatian. It is called dividend. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 10 divided by 2. Kailangan 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Another example. 16 divided by 4. Ang tama ay 16 divided by 4 is equal to. And the last experience I have encountered is 15 divided by 5. This should be read as 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye, but don't forget to visit, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. Hey, would you like your child to be assist in his or her mathematics skills? Then search and join our Facebook group. See you there.